This channel gained over 100,000 subscribers with just 114 videos. Another one, just 15 videos and more than 350K subscribers. Here's also another channel examples. They are pulling over huge numbers of views and making thousands of hundreds of dollars. And these channels are 100% monetized. Also, look at this one's Psyche Depth channel. Look at their numbers. Insane, right? These are all part of a brand new, viral, USA-based faceless niche that's taking over YouTube right now. So the big question is, what is this niche that nobody told you about yet? All right, let's reveal the secret. It's called dark psychology. This niche dives deep into dark reality truths, lust, cheatings in relationships, exploring how men and women think, the hidden sides of relationships, friendship behaviors, dating psychology, and self-improvement secrets. And do you know what the crazy part is? All these videos are made from 100% free AI. From scripting to visuals, and also AI video generations tools are totally 100% free. There's no hidden charges at all. Stick to this video till the end, and you will get to know brand new AI tools to make content. Right now, this niche is trending massively in the USA and UK and more top-tier countries where CPM per 1,000 views is very high. Most of these videos use a black and white theme, 3D picture style, and simple motion animations with voiceover, basic editing, sound effects, and background music. That's it. If you want to use something colorful theme, you can try that too. You just need to pick some unique style that viewers would immediately recognize your channel. They might look complex, but trust me, they're actually super easy to make, completely free using AI tools. So stay with me till the end, because I'll show you step by step, from topic selection to final editing, how you can make these viral videos yourself. All right, my friend, let's roll in. First, we'll train ChatGPT to handle the full workflow. I've already created a complete step-by-step ChatGPT guide. The link is in the description. Just open that Google Doc. It includes all the prompts you need. You simply have to copy-paste them into ChatGPT, and the rest will be done automatically. All right, my friend, let's get started. First, we'll grab some video ideas. Open the doc, copy this text from here to the script ideas section, and paste it straight into ChatGPT. Now, just type how many ideas you want. For example, I'll enter 15. ChatGPT will instantly give you viral, dark psychology-style topics, each with key talking points. Then, pick any topic that catches your eye. I'll go with this one. Next, copy step 3 and 4 from the doc. Paste them into ChatGPT. Here above, you can put the topic you choose. You can change the duration. I'm setting it to 6-7 minutes durations. Hit enter. And again, reply with yes when ChatGPT will ask for the script generation. Now ChatGPT will generate a fully engaging, human-sounding script. It'll create a smooth, engaging script that you can use right away for your video. Sometimes AI can generate complex words or sentences that don't sound quite natural. So I'd recommend going through your script once and making small tweaks to make it sound more human and conversational. Now we're moving on to the voiceover part. I'm using 11 Labs for this, but you can use any AI voice tool you prefer. There are plenty of free ones out there. Just paste your script scene by scene and explore different voice options. Go for something bold and natural that matches this style of content. You can choose something story narrator type voice. That fits for this type of content. Once you're happy with it, generate and download your voiceover. Now we need visuals for every scene. Go back to the doc, copy the prompt from step 5 to step 7, and paste it into ChatGPT. It'll give you detailed image prompts for each scene. There are so many AI image generator tools, you can use whatever you want to. For the sake of this video, I'll show you Google's brand new image generator tool, which is giving ultra-realistic generations. 100% free. Log in with your Gmail and come to the dashboard. Copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Before you hit generate, make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16. And don't forget to lock the seed. That's what keeps your character consistent across all the images. Now hit generate, and you'll get some absolutely insane results. Once it's done, download the image you like the most. Next, copy the second prompt, open your image, double-click, delete this text and paste the new prompt. Then hit generate again. This is how you maintain perfect character consistency. Keep doing this for the rest of your images. And once you're done, we'll move on to the fun part, bringing these images to life. For that, we're going to use a new method of making the unlimited videos without losing quality and no watermark at all. Come to this website called grok.com, sign in with your Gmail, and come to this tab here called Imagine. Grok just released its video generator tool, which is 100% free for now. I don't know till when, but before it's going to set the limit to generations. I would suggest you grab this opportunity immediately. Attach the image and write the very simple few words as prompt. You don't need to put long video prompt from ChatGPT. Say it like natural animation to this scene. And this will do the work. Even it works without putting any prompt. Just see the result. This is insane, right? Here you can upscale the video quality in one click, and you can see the result. It's good so far. Keep generating the rest of the scenes. Play around with some creativity once you generate everything. Now let's bring everything together in CapCut. Import your voiceover and all the video clips. First, I've removed the gap in voiceover. You should do this too. Now start arranging your clips according to the voiceover. In my case, I wanted more visuals for this video. I like it when the scenes change every 2 to 3 lines. If you want that too, then while you're creating prompts for your images in ChatGPT, just ask it to provide multiple scene prompts. That way you'll have more variety to work with. And you can generate them one by one for better control and consistency. I will fast forward the video to not waste your time here. All right, the arranging part's done. If you want, you can play around with some effects, transitions, or filters to add a bit more style. Personally, I don't use too many of them. I just grab the vignette effect, drop it here, and drag it all the way to the end. And my favorite filter is Hollywood Past. It gives that clean, cinematic black and white vibe that just makes the whole video feel more polished. And yeah, and don't forget the subtitles. For this type of content, subtitles are a must. They make your video more engaging and easier to follow. Add it from here, and choose the template you like. You just saw how easy it is to create these kinds of psychology videos. It literally takes only a few minutes of work. If you stay consistent and keep uploading for about a month, you'll definitely start seeing some growth. And over time, this can even become a great source of income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Now, here's the final video we just created. Let's take a look. Just imagine this. You do everything right. You listen to her. You care. You stay loyal, kind, and patient, but slowly, she starts to fade away. Her messages grow colder. Her smile looks forced, and one day she just stops trying. You ask yourself, what did I do wrong? But the truth is, you didn't do anything wrong. You just stopped being the man she felt something for. Hard truth. Women don't lose interest in good men. They lose interest in men who stop being men. Every woman is wired to seek safety. Not just physical, but emotional. Yet safety doesn't spark desire. Desire lives in tension, in unpredictability. It's dopamine, a reward system that needs contrast.